sunshine. So today I have another PMS subscription box that we're going to be unboxing today on my channel, and this is called the Petal Box. And basically the Petal Box is $8.99 a month, and there are 8, yes I said 8 different subscription options depending on how heavy your period is. I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little weird today. I am sick. I'm still sick. I'm still trying to get over this cold. So I'm sorry if my voice sounds a little cracky or anything. And what I think is most amazing about My Petal Box is I was doing research on this company before I signed up for a subscription. Was apparently they are located in Dallas, Texas, and when Hurricane Harvey hit, they actually donated sanitary napkins and pads and tampons and all of that to local women's shelters to help make sure that women were taking care of basic needs that they have after the aftermath of Hurricane Harvey. So I think that is absolutely outstanding of the subscription box. Round of applause to you guys for coming through and really helping out your community and not only concerned with the needs of women during their time of the month and offering 8 different options depending on how heavy the flow is, but also by actually going in and doing good after such a terrible tragedy. So I'm gonna go inside and show you guys what the inside of this box looks like. And on the front of this box is the address label, but on the back it's just plain. Everything's plain. It's very oh, it's not very obvious that this is a PMS kit. So I really like how on the DL this box is, but when you open it up, it's like you're being invited to a world of comfort and healing. I love all the pink. The pink makes me so incredibly excited. But everything is wrapped in pink tissue paper, and basically you get pads and tampons and panty liners and anything that you need. Again, there's 8 different options for you to choose from depending on how heavy your flow is. Now this is not going to be a super duper long unboxing, but I am going to show you guys what I did get in my Petal Box. So basically, I did get some panty liners. So here are all the panty liners that I got. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 panty liners. And I always say, even if you don't have your period, even if you're yeah, I just got over my period, always have extra pads, tampons, and or panty liners on your in your purse or on your person, because you never know when Aunt Flo's gonna be knock knock girl, I'm 2 weeks early, even though you just got over me, and you'd be what the heck, I just got done my period, why are you back again? Or you never know when another girl's gonna need one. Even if you hate somebody, I know there were girls that I hated in high school, and they had come up to me once or twice and be hey, do you have a pad or tampon? I just got my period and I don't have anything. And I'd be yeah, I hate you, but I'll give you something, because no girl should have to suffer through nobody should have to suffer through that. So carry them around for yourself, carry them around, because you never know when a fellow sister is gonna need one. So for $8.99 so far, I've gotten 8 panty liners. Actually make that 10, because I just found 2 more. So in total I have 10 panty liners so far. I also have a bunch of pads. Imagine if we use this as a currency. Panty liners were 50 cents. These were $5, and tampons were $8. Imagine if we use this as some type of currency, but female only currency. Hey, can I trade you a Louis Vuitton for 1 million pads? Imagine how amazing the world would be. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, wait, hold on, I miscounted already. Math is not my strong suit, guys. 10 panty liners, 8 pads, and we also have some tampons in here. And I love the green packaging for the tampons. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tampons, 10 panty liners, 8 pads, 8 tampons, all for $8.99. Plus there's a couple of other extra things in here. So I have 2 Petal Fresh Feminine Wipes. I love having these around because not only can you use them on your lady bits, but if you're sweaty and oh my god, I definitely I need to freshen up, you can just wipe, and you're good to go. I love having these around. I need to get some more because I'm starting to run out, because it's been so hot this summer, and I'm liking just to give myself a quick refresh. I'll go and I'll wipe, and then I'm good to reapply deodorant or whatever. So I really love having these around, and I need to get some more. So I'm really glad that I have these 2 emergency ones in this kit. There's a couple of other things in here too. This is an Infinity Vagina Health Self-Test Card. Contains a color card, a cotton bud, and an indicator strip to determine the health status of the vagina. Take a sample of the vaginal secretion used in the cotton bud and place it into the indicator strip. After 30 seconds, compare the color on the indicator strip with the color card to determine your results. Distributed by Zenify Trading Enterprises. This literally has the ability to change lives. Oh my god. That is so absolutely incredible. I didn't know these things even existed. So the fact that they exist, I know that this has the power to really help a lot of girls out and making sure that they're not only taking care of themselves, but they're taking care of their feminine health. So way to go, Petal Club. That's really exciting that you put that in there. And then we have 2 pieces of chocolate. We have a white chocolate Kit Kat bar. We have a Hershey Kiss. And then here we have a Platonian mint fresh and flavorful tea blended with natural spearmint leaves tea bag. Oh, and we have another Hershey Kiss. So in total for $8.99, you can choose between 8 different subscription boxes that will really custom fit your period and how heavy your flow is. I cannot remember off the top of my head which option that I chose, but basically for $8.99, I got a Kit Kat bar, I got 2 Hershey Kisses, I got a mint tea bag, I got a vaginal health self-test card, which is so incredible, and I'm so glad that like I found out that these are a thing, because I feel like it's so important that like more young women really like take care of their feminine health, and the fact that you have a little test strip that'll help you like along your journey, that's really exciting. I have 8 tampons, 8 pads, and 10 panty liners. So that is it for my unboxing of the Petal Period subscription box. What did you guys think of this box? What is something that you really think should go in this box? What are some things that you loved about the box? And what's something that you didn't really love about the box? I really feel like this box is really great, especially because you can customize it and be like, okay, well, this is how heavy my flow is, and like, you know, really go in and have a box completely tailored to your personal needs. I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.